Hello students, welcome to the next session of EVS. Now I am going to start lesson number 3, cleanliness and health. In this lesson we are going to study about the importance of cleanliness and how cleanliness is important for our health. So students, have you heard that cleanliness is too close to godliness? What do you mean by this? Cleanliness gives rise to a good character by keeping body, mind and soul clean and peaceful. Okay, if we keep ourselves in this way, we can keep our body, mind and soul clean, and in this way we can be near to the God. So, it is very essential that we should follow the habits of cleanliness. Maintaining cleanliness is the essential part of healthy living. Cleanliness means following clean habits and being clean, free of germs and dust. Okay? What do you mean by cleanliness? By following certain habits by which we can keep ourselves free of germs and dust. Okay? Follow some certain habits of cleanliness. Only then we can keep ourselves neat and clean. When we are clean, we are healthy. We should keep our body clean and also the area around us clean to have good health. Not only our body, but the area where we live, our surroundings, we should also keep our surroundings neat and clean. So, how can we keep our surroundings clean? What do you mean by surrounding? Surrounding means the area where we live. We should not litter the place around us. We should not throw garbage. We should not spread garbage the area where we live. We should always throw waste in the dustbin. For example, if you are eating a chocolate and you have so you should not throw it on the road or on the street where you are walking. You should keep it with yourselves, and whenever you find the dustbin, you should throw it only in the dustbin. So in this way, if you follow some habits, you can make your surroundings neat and clean. We should not spit out in the open. This is a very bad habit. If we have this habit, in this way we are making our area, our surroundings dirty. We should plant more trees. Trees make the air around us fresh. So whenever and wherever we find a chance to plant trees, we should plant trees. If we see flowering plants, green plants all around in things, it will make us very happy and it will make us very refreshed. So we should plant more and more trees. Okay students, now how can we keep ourselves clean? Here are some fill-ups and you have to write correct word in these blanks. We should brush our teeth daily. So we should brush our teeth twice daily. Okay, once we should brush our teeth in the morning, and second time we should brush our teeth at the night time before going to bed. In this way we can keep our teeth neat and clean. I use toothpaste. Which toothpaste do you use? There are different brands of toothpaste, Close-Up, Colgate and many more are there. So which toothpaste you are using, you can write here. Like I use Colgate toothpaste. We should take every day. We should take bath every day. We should wash our with shampoo and dry it well. We should wash our hair, okay, with shampoo and dry it well. We should comb our and tie into plaits if it is long. We should comb our hair and tie it into plaits if it is long. It is for girls. If you have long hair, you can tie your hair in plaits It will make you more organized and neat and clean. We should trim our nails regularly, okay, because if we have long nails, dust and germs can enter in our nails, so we should trim our nails on a regular basis. In this way we can keep ourselves neat and clean. Okay students, now in this slide you can see there are two pictures. One picture of dirty park and one picture of clean park. So in this dirty park you can see all around there is garbage. The garbage bins are filled and you can moving on them. So this is a dirty park and definitely you will not like to visit in this kind of park. On the other hand, you can see a clean park. It is very organized, green trees and plants are here. There are two dustbins and there is no garbage on the land, and this is looking very organized. So definitely you would like to visit in this kind of park. So students, you have to also keep your surroundings in this way so that you can enjoy visiting in your surroundings, and this will keep you healthy and refreshed. So in this way, I hope you have understood what is the importance of cleanliness and how cleanliness is important for a healthy living. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.